Good morning, everyone. Today is the day we port in Nassau. We have a little tour that my aunt had booked for us, so we are running late. So I'll check back in with y'all when we are on the bus and every stop that we go. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Welcome to Nassau. I'm getting that black and gold for sure.
Right, there we go. Yeah.
What up? Like, what's up to the vlog?
What you want there?
What's up to the vlog? Yeah.
One of the Bahamas braces, pretty girl.
Oh no, thank you. No, thank you. You're pretty though.
Thank you. What about you?
Oh, I like the hat.
Yeah, you got a hat? What did you get? You get a hat? What is that?
Where yours go?
What you talking about?
And she's scraping the bow. I just want to double around. Reverse, reverse.
Each staff is representing each year. The Queen Victoria was in power. It's very beautiful. You want to take some photos down there. All right, so follow me like this way. Once you go down, you don't have to worry about coming up. We're going to ride the bus down there and pick it from the bar.
Okay.
Good morning to you lovely folks. Did everybody enjoy the trip coming in?
We did.
Yes.
My name is Anthony. I'm the guide of the historical Queen Staircase. Ladies and gentlemen, little kids, what we are in right here, this is called the historical Queen Staircase you see here. All of this was once a mass of solid rock. What happened? It took 600 slaves from West Africa, 16 years. They have carved this out in the 1812. They have carved out 66 steps. They bury one to the bottom, remain 65.
Okay, y'all, so we just got done seeing the Queen Staircase. We're heading to the rum cake factory right now. So I'm just gonna show y'all around. You ready, Tamika?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
You get anything?
How much are these? I'm thinking the peanut butter is really good.
Oh, okay. Oh, they let you taste it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
6 for $37.50.
What? Yeah, I loved it. What is this?
Original on your right, pina colada on your left, try both flavors.
Okay.
Pineapple down there.
Oh, she babysat that.
Up there, most Bahamian girls and hang out and have a nice time. Alright? We have some guests on the ship, goes here too sometimes, you know. And guests who stays in a hotel, they go there and have
Okay, y'all, we are at the beach, Masego Beach, I think they said. It's so blue. I love it. The snails.
Come on. All right, come on.
come take a picture on Saturday. Just want to come back out.
Okay. Excuse me.
What is this, like ice cream?
Excuse me, pina colada, ma'am.
Pina colada.
Yeah. Excuse me.
You don't like, yeah.
Hey, Funky, look at look.
No good. another one. I'm gonna take my hat off because I didn't get one.
Okay. Put your hat on back.
Yeah. What is it?
It's a non-stop wheel.
Case. Ooh, can I see?
Keep your phone.
It's a non-stop wheel. Go down so far.
Keep your phones away from it.
Guys, I can't not. See the water? You guys see the water?
No. Step 1. Step 2.
How we moving, y'all? Because it's another area on the other side.
Step 5.
That's crazy though.
Delilah.
Mix up my together to send this time. The single barrel, the cash strength, goes to 110 by itself, and you have the very red turtle vodka. The vodka is 22 or more, okay?
Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Oh, good morning. Don't put me in that.
Too late. Okay, anyway, today is day 4, maybe 5. Kind of lost track of time out here. We are cruising the sea all day today, just a sea day. So we're gonna try to do today is Caribbean night. We're gonna walk around a boat a few times, probably hop in the pool on the top deck. And then I think we have like an ice skating show or something like that. What, 7 or 9? So I'm gonna just take y'all where I go. And if it's too much water or I know if my camera can get messed up, I'm gonna drop my camera off at the room and then, you know, go about my day. So this is on level 3. If it's a conference center. So this is a conference room. Pretty big. I guess when they have meetings or something. Okay, you have a Royal Theater right here where they basically, you know, host things and watch movies.
It's great. You know, I don't know why.
Okay, this is basically where you get all your spas and you go to the gym. They're getting their nails done. The front office, like a store, and this is a cafe. They're doing hair over here. Okay, they have a gym. You have like a yoga room. And they give you towels. Some weightlifting. Oh, this is the track. Mika, this is the track. Right there. Can I record in there? Okay. Hi, Carol. Hi. Hey. I'm doing good. I'm just doing a boat tour for my YouTube video. And these are real trees. They have someone that works on the trees, keep them alive and healthy. I think my aunt said it's inspired by Alice in Wonderland. But this is so stinking cute. Like, look at the freaking ceiling. Oh wow, this is beautiful. And you can see the boat, back of the boat. And then you come around. Look at this. So this is Adventure Ocean Royal Caribbean. Based off of the look, it does look like it's for kids. So we're gonna explore it. What's the word I'm looking for? A daycare. So if y'all come over here with y'all kids, they do have a daycare that's here and lasts until, what'd I say? It lasts until 12? So they will watch your babies. And I think it's complimentary. Don't quote me on it. Okay, y'all, so this is the level where the solarium deck is. I think you have jacuzzis in here. Okay, they have an arcade here.
Wow, Papa John, are you the wife? Oh, no?
Alright, you guys, they actually offer diving courses here, and this is on deck 16. This is on deck 16. Okay, they have golf here. Table tennis.
I just to make a little vlog, man. Okay? Ain't nothing. This is cuz vlog.
Hey, Yana! He almost had it.
Nous aurons pour l'éternité
Lit by the glow of the enchanted bouquet, Juliet's journey and quest for love of her own begins, guided and protected by her mystical escort, Tempest. Back through time, we too are passengers, spinning back to the 14th century, to the Montagues and the Capulets of Verona, to the love of young Romeo and Juliet.